Wagwan peeps. So it's your boy Mr. Inks. Welcome to the channel again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So tonight we have quick months ago do still. So we have some nice shrimp. I done strip down and thing already. And me have pre-feed with some coconut garlic curry shrimp. Yeah, you know? No. That's a banger. So I'm gonna get me season them started. Cut up my onion, my garlic, sweet pepper, put them there aside and then start the process. And then I'm gonna use my Philly cheese and some spaghetti and quick food. I too long get back from the gym, so want to spend great time in the kitchen because I still have some work to do on the computer there. Anyways, on to the next. So I got some help. Season and cut up very creamy pasta, which I'm gonna use shrimp with. It's that colors of the rainbow. Good stuff, good stuff. See? Work smart, not hard. If you have help, use it. So the cookie crumble, man. You better can cook. Think you have to pretty look so one leave a restaurant and come down man book. Watch out any fishiness, then sea creature, you don't know when them woke up and down there. Madam bad. Yeah, so we start off the thing with the butter. Okay, kind of get the flavor out of the onion. So the garlic, I not sure want the garlic bun in there because I could get one nasty flavor. You don't want to taste bun garlic, just find that one there. So just caramelize the onions a bit, and then we're going with the spring onion, and then we're going with the garlic after. Yes, after we add the garlic, throwing the curry make it burn a little. Then we are going with the shrimp here now. So I go on the peeps. Yeah, now that they're in, and the rest of the seasoning, man. But then it even finish it a blow. Yeah guys, so finished product is here. That look garnish it, now you're being giveaway upon them succulent shrimp. Can't wait for digging at this and struggle upon the camp. Right?